Hello ladies, welcome to my bathroom. I get a lot of questions about why use micellar water. Mine's a little blinged out. I bling it out during the holiday season and it looks pretty on my bathroom sink like this. But I get a lot of questions, why use it? What's the point of it? What does it do? And there's a couple reasons why you would consider using micellar water. I'll share with you why I use it and why I love it. And it is different than oil-free eye makeup remover. So I will explain to you the differences and you can decide what's best for you. So a little bit goes a long way with the micellar water. I just put some on the cotton round. Micellar water removes impurities, makeup, and dirt off your skin. It is used to cleanse your skin without water. So it's a great option for a cleanser if you're in a situation where you don't have access to water, which is unusual, but there are times, sports, gym, camping, beach, there are times where you wish you could cleanse your skin and you don't have access to water. So that's reason number one. The next reason you would want to incorporate micellar water is doing exactly what I'm doing right now. I've already taken off my eye makeup and I'm now taking off my face makeup before I wash my face with my face cleanser. I am doing that because micellar water acts like a magnet to take off all of the makeup and dirt and impurities off your skin. Here's the cool thing about micellar water. Even if you don't have makeup on, you will be shocked at how much impurities are on your skin. I get that question a lot. Yes, even if you don't wear makeup, this is a great product to have in your bathroom because it's not only fast, but you'll see how much builds up on your skin. And what is building on your skin is what's causing premature aging, clogged pores, and all the things we don't want. And the third reason I love using micellar water is especially in the warmer months or if you're traveling for spring break and you're gonna be using heavy sunscreens on your face. I feel like sunscreen just sticks to the skin. It doesn't come off very easily and it just feels a little yucky. So I love using micellar water to make sure I get all the sunscreen off my face when I'm at the pool or the beach. It makes such a difference in the cleanliness of your face and you can see all the yellow come off your face from the sunscreen. And so now I have these dirty cloths from my micellar water. My skin already feels really clean, but now the micellar water has prepped my skin so that I can go ahead and use my age-fighting cleanser. And because I use micellar water first, it's going to give my cleanser the ability to do its job better. All the anti-aging ingredients are going to get into my skin and help with aging, help with lines and wrinkles. In addition, my skin has been double cleansed. Micellar water first, my cleanser second, and my skin is going to be twice as clean. And you really feel the difference. After just using it one or two times, you can really feel the difference before and after not using micellar water. So when it comes to cleansing your skin, incorporating micellar water not only is a great convenience, but it's really powerful. All clean. There's nothing cleaner than a double clean micellar water and your face cleanser. It feels incredible. It's one of my favorite things to do is cleansing my skin at night because it feels so good. And so now I'm ready to do my moisturizers and my serums, ready for bed. So if I can help you fine tune your cleansing step, and you have any questions about micellar water, send me a direct message. I'm happy to help you out and give you a sample.